Hey guys, here with RPM Diecast, and today we have a Focal Horizon product. It is another one of their R33 GTR Skylines, the Nismo 400R, as you can see here. Now, in my opinion, as well as others, Focal Horizon does one of, if not the best, R33 Skyline castings. It's unlicensed though, so there's no Nissan badging anywhere on it. There's no Nissan anywhere on it, but whoop-de-frickin-do. Beautiful white. This is number 102 of 999, so they only make 1,000. They make about 1,000 of each of these kind of, what do you call it, 400Rs. But really, really nice casting. Again, one of the nicest R33s I've seen probably in a long time, because Hot Wheels doesn't really do the R33 that often. They're starting to put out a few more now, but so they haven't done much. And then like Innos and stuff, they are nice, but again, in my opinion, this is just so sexy. But anyway, let's go pop this on the spinner, get some uppy closies, and then we'll come back after. That was the Focal Horizon Nissan R33 GTR Nismo 400R from Focal Horizon. A pretty cool thing is that the real cars, they only made about 44, and there's only about 19 left in existence that are at least known. So to get one of these at like an auction or something, you're going to pay one to about $10 for a real 400R, which is pretty insane. But yeah, don't forget about the, actually I don't know if I'm going to put, I don't think this will come out by next Saturday. Just leave down below your favorite casting. Don't forget to keep on collecting.